it's fixed. There is no overlapping anymore, all right? Hello. Hey guys, what's going on? Eric Salgado here. So I have these people on Facebook talking about some Builderall websites that get some weird stuff on Facebook browsers, on tablets and things like that, or mobile or whatever it is. So then I sent a website, an example website that was a very, very beautiful, well-done website on Builderall. And then they showed me that this website, for example, is having an overlapping here. Like you see here, this overlapping, right? Okay, then this is the thing. This website was very, very well done on design, but he missed something. And I'm gonna show you guys what's missing and how you should fix, all right? Or how you can fix if you are having the same problem. So I'm gonna share my screen with you. Okay, you guys can see my screen now, all right? So for example, the overlapping is here. So on the editor, looks good. You have the content here and you have the button, it's all good, but we are having overlap on some devices, right? It's because the content is not optimized. So you have two ways to optimize your content. First of all, is when you start building your website, you have to figure out the content here, all right? So I'm gonna give, oh, well, it's not gonna work because I am on the mobile version, but you have to find the size of the fonts and the line height here, right, when you are building the website. So if you adjust everything here, everything is gonna work great, right? In that case, for example, this website's beautiful, but it's crazy. See how many different font styles they have here on the same website. There is no reason to do that, right? Actually, it makes your website very slow, okay? So as you can see, the user, he's not that, he didn't do a good job here when we are talking about fonts. So probably he actually set up the fonts here, but when he was building the website, he changed all the fonts, he changed all the styles, and then it's not gonna work on cell phone, right? But if you are having this kind of problems, like you adjust the fonts here, and you are using the same font you have here, you are using on your mobile version, it's going to work perfectly. You don't have to do anything else. All you have to do is adjust the fonts here, the size of fonts and line height for desktop and for mobile, right? You have to adjust this thing here. Okay, I'm going to show you in 1 minute. And everything's going to work great. But if you don't do that, or if you do that, but later you decide to use a different style of fonts, you have to do this simple thing here on the mobile version that he didn't. For example, right-click, customization, and then select the automatic style. That's it. All you have to do, and boom. Now this thing is going to work in every single device. As you can see, he changed the styles of all fonts, he changed everything, and he never chose automatic style here on the editor. All right, so I'm just gonna do on those ones, and then we're gonna save and see how the website's gonna work now. I think it's gonna be better without the overlapping, all right? And okay, so this is what you have to do if your website is old, if you are using one old version of Builderall or old test editor or something like that. You have to come to your mobile version, right-click on the content, customization, and then select the automatic style, right? So come to our editor, right-click, customization, and select automatic style. That's it, all right? And save. But if you are building a new website, okay, this is how you should do. I'm gonna go to the desktop version so we can play here. Okay, so you come to fonts, select the font you wanna change, all right? It's a lot of fonts here, maybe, yeah. That's what makes this website so slow. The number of the font families makes the website slow, right, guys? So that's why you should not do that. So when you come here, you're gonna give the click here, and then you're gonna be able to edit the desktop font size and the mobile font size. So as you can see, you can do, for example, the font size 15 and the line height 19, all right? So if you do that in every single fonts that you have here, H1, H2, 3, 4, and then the paragraphs, and you use the same style, you're not going to have any problems. All right. So that's it, guys. It's really, really simple. Only thing that you have to do is before you build your website, make sure that the font here is already configured, all right, for the desktop and for mobile. Make sure you have the right numbers, the number of the font and the number of the line height, all right? So for example, it doesn't make any sense here. It has the same 55 pixels for desktop and 55 pixels for mobile. 71 pixels for desktop, 71 pixels for mobile. Doesn't make any sense. Should be like 30 here and 35, right? So that's why he's using different styles. He has one style configured here, but on the website he's using a different style. And a lot of users do that. So the best thing to do is configure the styles here, age 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then keeps using the same style. All right. If you have to choose a different style, it's okay. But then you're gonna go to mobile and you have to right-click customization and automatic style. All right. That's simple. So again, I'm gonna close the website here. All right. Maybe it's gonna take a few minutes to go online. Let me reload this website on my phone to see if they fix it. And it's fixed. Let me stop sharing. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Here we go. You guys can see me now. It's fixed. There is no overlapping anymore. All right. That's it. All you have to do is automatic customization on the website. All right, guys. That's it. And then you can fix it. Everything's working fine in every single device, every single browser. Some browsers, like Facebook browser, they change the line height. All right. So that's why you have to choose before you do your website what's going to be. If you don't choose, the browser can change. But if you choose, the browser will not change, all right? So before you do the website, you choose the font size and the line height, right? And then if you change the style, just go to the mobile editor, right-click, customization, and automatic style. Then it's not going to happen anymore. All right, guys? All right, thank you very much.